Dear 4th class students, very good morning. This is M. Shekhar sir. Today class Mathematics course book, page number 9. So once already first 3 we discussed. So once see that one, no problem. Different views of an objects. వ్యూస్ అంటే చూపించడం అని చూడటం అంటారు. ఓకే, డిఫరెంట్ వ్యూస్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఆబ్జెక్ట్. వీ నో దట్ వెరీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్ హ్యావ్ 3 వ్యూస్: ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ, సైడ్ వ్యూ అండ్ టాప్ వ్యూ. సో ఎనీ ఆబ్జెక్ట్, మేబీ ఇట్ ఈజ్ 2-dimensional or 3-dimensional, any one regular or irregular object, any object have 3 views. One is front view, second one is side view, and third one is top view. One see one example. So when they take photo back side or front side or right or left side, it is take photo front side. It is take front side photo. So front side means front view. See that answer. Front view is the view of an object from the front. So they take front side. That's why it is a front view. See that when right side or left side, here not right view or left view, but it is a side view. That one is either left or right. It is called a side view. Okay na. So that take the photo which side, and front side or back side or side. So it is a side view. Okay, see that answer. Side view is the view of an object from the side. So that one take photo from side. See that third one. So they take photo from top place. So it is a top view. See that one answer. Top view is the view of an object from the top. So they take the photo top side. It is a top view. So we based on this 3 views, write these 4 answers. See that one. Identify the views of the below object. First one boat, second one auto, third one jeep or car, fourth one umbrella. So one see this one. It is a side view or front view or top view. They take the photo from top side. So it is a top view. Okay, next auto. It is a side view right here. Okay, now come to jeep. What is this side? What is this photo taking? Which side? It is a front side. Front view. This one umbrella. Which side take the photo? Upside or downside or any left or right side? It is take the photo from upside. It means top view. Simple. Every question, each one question is 2 marks. Or this at a time the 4 questions are given in exam. These 4 are 10 marks. 2 and up, 8 marks. Okay na. The take the photo front side, it is front view. They take the photo side by side, it is a side view. They take the photo upside. From upside it is a top view. Okay, now see this one. We can identify the object located in place by viewing the whole place from the top. Do you know? Okay, మనకు తెలుసా, నీకు తెలుసా అని. We can identify the object located in a place by viewing the whole place from the top. సో ఏదన్నా హోల్ టాప్లో ఏదైనా ఒక ఆబ్జెక్ట్ మనం గుర్తించగలుగుతామా? దీంట్లో టాప్ ఏముంది? ఏం లేదు. దీని గురించి వదిలేసే, మనకు అవసరం కూడా లేదు. లీవ్ దట్ క్వశ్చన్. ఇక నౌ కమ్ టు పేజీ నెంబర్ 10. Page number 10. See this one. Varun and Arun went to birthday party in a hotel. once upon a time one day, and Varun and Aruna, two friends, they went to birthday party in hotel. Okay, you got my language. Varun and Aruna went to birthday party in hotel at one place. The party was on the 6th floor. Which floor in the party? 6th floor. Where celebrate the party? Hotel. Okay, Arun and Varun went to the party in the hotel. The party celebrations in 6th floor in the hotel. Okay, next. They stepped on this the balcony to see the view from there. Okay. The two boys going to party on the times once checked in the down place. It means so once observe the down place. Who that person? Which person observed down place? No mention. But two persons observed down place. Arnando one. When they looked down, they were excited to see many cars in the parking lot. In the birthday party balcony, the two persons are walking in the balcony and observed here down place. They are two persons exciting because it is a wonderful car parking place. So, are you able to see all the cars in the parking lot? Asked Varun. Varun asked to Arun. Arun, are you able to see all the cars in the parking lot? నాకున్నటువంటి కార్లు మొత్తం చూసావా అని వరుణ్ అరుణ్ అడిగాడు. ఎస్ రిప్లైడ్ అరుణ్. ఓకే ఎస్ నేను చూశానని అరుణ్ రిప్లై ఇచ్చారు. హౌ మెనీ కార్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఇన్ ద పార్కింగ్ లాట్? అగైన్ వరుణ్ ఆస్క్డ్ టు అరుణ్. హౌ మెనీ కార్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? ఆస్క్డ్ వరుణ్. They are 13 cars, said Varun. Sorry, Arun. Varun asked and Arun said 13 cars. How many red color cars are there? Again, Varun asked to Arun, how many red colors are there in the parking? Just he said only 2 cars. Can you count the number of white cars? Asked Varun. Again, Varun asked to Arun, how many white cars in the parking? There are 4 white cars, said after counting. Just Arun count after said answer. It is only 4 cars in the parking place. Now once count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13 cars, 2 red cars, 3 yellow cars, and 1, 2, 3, 4 white cars, blue cars, 1, 2, 3, 4 blue cars. Okay. Arun and Varun were able to arrive the above information without moving anywhere. This is because they looked at the parking lot from the top view. They observed. Where we observed? From balcony. It is a top view of the car parking place. Okay. Now come to page number 11. See this one. Let us view the following arrangement of a cube and try to analyze them. Okay, once see this one figure, it is a cubes. Okay, now in this image the cubes are arranged in 2 rows. How many rows? 2 rows. Rows means horizontal అంటే అడ్డంగా, రోస్ అంటే అడ్డంగా, కాలమ్స్ అంటే నిలువుగా. హౌ మెనీ రోస్? సీ దిస్ హియర్ 2 rows. 1, 2 rows. Okay, 2 rows. There are 3 plus 3 plus 3 is equal to 9 cubes in the bottom row. Bottom means down. Once count the down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Here down how many cubes are there? 9. Okay, and the bottom row. In the top row there are 3 plus 3. So bottom row 9 cubes there. How many cubes in the top row? Once count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 cubes. In the total there are 9 plus 6 is equal to 15. Enter this figure. How many cubes are there? 15. Downside 9 cubes, upside 6 cubes, total 15 cubes. Okay, I will say next question in the next video. Dear 4th class, okay, see second video and see in the image the cubes are arranged in 3 rows. In the bottom row there are 3 plus 3 is equal 6 cubes. There are 3 cubes in the middle row and only 1 cube in the top row. So the total number of cubes is 6 plus 3 plus 1 is equal to 10. Once see this figure, here some cubes are arranged in row wise. Row wise means మనకి ఇలాగ అడ్డంగా అంటాం. So in the top row, it means down row, how many cubes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So top, it means bottom, not top amma. Bottom row 6 cubes are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second row 3 cubes are there and top row 1 cubes, totally 10 cubes. Okay, see this one. 3D object when viewed from the top or front or side resemble as plain space. Only we have to observe 3-dimensional figure from top view and front view and side view. Only మనం 3-dimensional ఫిగర్స్నే ఈ ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ కానీ సైడ్ వ్యూ కానీ టాప్ వ్యూ కానీ మనం అబ్జర్వ్ చేయగలుగుతాం. 2 డైమెన్షన్కి చెప్పలేము. ఓకేనా? ఓకే, ఈ చూడండి ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ కానీ సైడ్ వ్యూ కానీ టాప్ వ్యూ మూడు కూడా మనకు దేనికి ఉంటాయి అంటే 3 డైమెన్షన్స్కి ఉంటాయి. నౌ సీ దిస్ వన్. Open shapes and closed shapes. Open means it is very open and closed means that room are closed, windows are closed, like that is there is no way from inside and outside. So that one is a closed shape. క్లోజ్డ్ షేప్ అంటే బయట నుంచి లోపలికి వెళ్ళడానికైనా లోపల నుంచి బయటికి రావడానికైనా ప్లేస్ ఉండదండి, దాన్ని క్లోజ్డ్ అంటాం. నౌ సీ దిస్ వన్. See this one. This way it is closed or open. It is a open. What is this one figure? It is a open. This one figure open. This one figure open. These all are open figures. Once see open figure definition or open shapes. In the above figure, the two endpoints of the shapes are visible. Visible అంటే చూపించడం అని, చూడటం అని. A gap can be seen between the endpoints of the shapes. They are not connected with one another. Such the figure are shaped with open ends are called open space. Now see this one. I will draw the one figure. It is a starting point too. Okay, now these 2 points does not meet. So here gap is there. This one figures have open shapes figures. They are not connected. Here these 2 lines are not connected. So that's why these 4 figures have open shapes. Now come to closed shapes. This one closed, this one closed, this one closed, this one closed, this one closed. In this figure, the endpoints of the shapes are not visible. So it is a visible. It is shapes means okay, starting point ending point visible. It means కనపడుతుంది అంత మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే విజిబుల్ అని కనపడుతుంది. హియర్ ఆల్సో స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎండింగ్ పాయింట్, స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎండింగ్ పాయింట్, హియర్ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఎండింగ్ ఇది కనపడుతుంది. బట్ ఇన్ దీస్ ఫిగర్స్ వెరీ స్టార్టింగ్ పాయింట్ ఆర్ ఎండింగ్ పాయింట్ వన్ షో very starting point ending point. There is no starting point ending point. They are connected with one another and hence there is no gap between endpoints. There is no gap between any endpoints. So that figures are shapes which are closed on all these sides are called closed figures. So there is no endpoints and starting points. So there is no connection. Is called a closed figure. It is a ఓపెన్ ఫిగర్స్ అంటే కొంచెం గ్యాప్ ఉండిద్ది లోపలికి వెళ్ళడానికైనా బయటికి రావడానికైనా. క్లోజ్డ్ ఫిగర్స్ అలాంటి గ్యాప్ ఉండదు, అసలు ఎక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుందో ఎక్కడ ఎండ్ అయితే కూడా తెలియదు. కానీ ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది ఎండ్ అయింది మాత్రం మనకి తెలుస్తుంది. Okay, now today class this one, page number 10, no, page number 11 and page number 9. So this one question is important. We write all questions answer.